to be a local tour guide from Nanchang, Jiangxi, China. Great news! I just got my first customer. They're coming for a one-day trip, and their hotel is near my home. I take them to visit our famous picnic spots like Taiwan Pavilion, August 1st Square, and the Star of China Ferris wheel. Nanchang is a super affordable city. A bowl of noodles for breakfast only costs $1. Food and transportation are much cheaper than Beijing and Shanghai. Many attractions are free to enter. Nanchang was already a prosperous city during the Han and Tang dynasties. Now it is still one of the best cities to visit in China. I hope to have my second, third, and more guests too soon. Welcome to Nanchang. Welcome to China. I'm right here waiting for you.